imagine if we found like an old rusty one. Hello people, we are at the forest. I'm with Sandra.
Hello!
Hello darling, it's been a while.
Yes, we are back.
We are back, and you guys wanted on Sandra's channel specifically for us to go to the forest.
Yeah.
So here we are excited. For now we're just gonna take a walk, stroll, try to calm down a little bit because the energy is so high.
We just spoke about that. When we come together, the energy is always like boom.
Yeah, I know, it's so strange. Like, okay, so you guys probably don't know this. If you watch all our vlogs, you do know this. If you don't, you don't. But when we're together, we basically like don't sleep. Like we get like 3-4 hours of sleep or something like that, and then we're like, whoop whoop, let's do stuff. You know? Are we going here or down here?
That way.
Okay.
I mean, that depends. Should we take that way because that's very foresty?
We can do that.
By the way, guys, do you guys remember yesterday when I did the shoot with Jeanette? There was a lot of people looking at her. If you don't know, go look at that vlog. Okay, we are going into the forest. Are you ready?
Ooh, let's do.
Oh my God. By the way, guys, this is a forest for what you call that, mountain bikers.
Oh yeah.
It's specifically for that. So you know.
We might stumble upon some bikers.
Yeah. And they are really fun.
Also might not because they all left.
Yeah, they did. But I will say sometimes we are here taking pictures and there's no cars, but there is still, you know, mountain bikers.
I'm manifesting no people.
Yeah, good. Maybe we're gonna find a witch.
Oh.
Ooh.
We don't need to find no witches. We are right here.
Yes, exactly. Okay, I think we have to be careful because it is a bit slippery.
So let's take a look at my footwear. Just think of it. I'm basically wearing tutsko. And I came to the forest in a freaking cocktail dress because
No fucking jacket. Oh,
no jacket either.
no jacket.
Because apparently I'm extra as hell for no reason, and yeah, so that is my life now. Also, I did not bring extra clothes, so it is what it is.
It looks like a scene from Harry Potter with all the moss.
Oh,
What do
it
you call
is.
moss for?
I don't know, let's ask the people.
Moss,
I know.
It's the green
The
stuff.
green stuff in the...
What do you call that?
right down there.
The squeezy. Oh, fuck!
Mushroom!
Mushroom!
Bacha, 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 mushroom, mushroom. Oh, bacha, bacha, bacha. It's so pretty.
Look at the moss on the trees. Oh, that's scary.
You think it's scary?
That is
It kind of looks like it's wearing loafers.
Oh, it is.
Like booties. Little booties.
Well, it
Winter
is
booties.
freezing outside, so
I mean, honestly, it's not that cold. Sandra's just being dramatic. How cold is it? Let's check. I mean, it has been cold. We have had freezing degrees this year. Yeah. It's 11 degrees Celsius, so it's not that bad. I mean, it's not warm, but it's not super warm. Cold. What am I trying to say? I cannot talk.
What are you saying?
I don't know.
Oh,
What's up?
at least funny. Look, I love this pathway because
Oh, that's so cute. That's like perfect picture stuff.
I'm gonna put a picture in because I took a picture of one of my buddies who is very, very perfect.
Look at that.
That is so beautiful. Very quiet.
It is.
What do you call that? Planted.
You planted 20 trees.
save the...
I don't remember.
I'm gonna put a link down below if you guys want to plant a tree.
Look at the tiny mushrooms.
Where? Oh!
Tiny.
Oh my god! Oh shit!
They're super tiny.
They are very cute.
That's adorable.
It is.
Oh, there's so many.
Oh my god, yes! Hello, witchies! Where's all the fairies?
You know what could be really cool?
What?
If we found like a mushroom circle. You heard about those?
No!
Like sometimes this weird thing happens where mushrooms grow in a circle. Like in a full-on circle.
Oh, I
It's
didn't
so
know
strange.
that.
I'm gonna Google it for you when we come home, but it's like, it's a really weird nature phenomenon. And it's like, throughout history it's been like, it's been talked about like if it was like a witchy thing. Like it was something the witches had done or something like that.
God.
But there is a natural explanation for it, but I don't remember.
By the way, guys, if you guys want me and Kiri to do like a channel where we do a podcast where we talk about like witchy things and ghosts and aliens and
That would be amazing.
murders, because we are both into that.
Yes! Oh!
I know that Mile Higher does it, but you know, me and Kiri, we are going to do it in our weird, funny style.
Yes!
And it's going to be epic because I'm a Libra and Kiri is a Taurus.
Yes. Imagine that combination.
Exactly. And you know what? It only works because we are friends.
Yeah, it does.
If we were in a relationship, it wouldn't work.
Oh no. God no.
God, no. Oh my god, look how cute is it?
And we are with open space.
And there's a little weird,
Oh no, oh no.
The thing is with that one is that it's like, you know, it's a bit bendy because it's for the mountain bikers.
Listen here, bitch. Why is it that every time I go somewhere with you, there's always bridges and falls?
Because we are on an adventure. I never went that way, by the way. I don't know.
You never went that way?
is.
I mean,
But,
we can go that way if you want to.
Should we try?
We can try.
I mean, we are explorers, so
We can go that way later.
yeah. If you guys didn't know, me and Kiri actually went to Ireland.
We did.
That was the best experience ever, besides, you know, the guy thing, but...
Very dramatic experience, but so
Yeah.
awesome. It was very, it pushed some boundaries for sure. And some limits, and it was crazy and a little scary, but also super fun.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh my god, yeah. Oh shit, yes it was.
Especially considering the fact that we literally decided to do this overnight. Like we were sitting the day before, I was on a flight home from Copenhagen. I was like, we should go to Ireland tomorrow.
Oh my god.
And so we did. It was totally crazy.
Climbed a weird window in a wall.
We did.
I mean,
and both of us got hurt from that actually.
yeah, we had bruises.
We had also twin
yeah, like
Yeah.
a mark on our, I don't know.
yeah, on like a thigh.
Yeah.
Because we had to like twist around in the window, but there was like a little thing sticking up, so that digged into our thighs.
Did you see this? Wow. What is that? Oh my god.
If I look like I'm about to give up now, it's because of this. Look at that.
That is a good because it's mushy mushy.
Should we go the other way? I don't really want to fall.
That's a better option. Because it really, I mean, you guys can see that it's like really
It's like, yeah. And it's very wet today because it did rain earlier and nobody's...
look at Kitty's cloudless, flawless, wow. Spread your wings, girl, spread
Yes. So we just talked about in the car. Basically this dress,
This is so peaceful.
like... I feel like somebody made this dress and somebody else came along and was like, dude, we should put a whole other dress just for the sleeves.
Basically.
Basically, yeah.
Do you want me to go first on the bridge? Or do you want to go first?
I don't care, you can go first.
I mean, it's not, I'm not going to be dramatic. It's not, you know.
It does look a little dramatic. I'm
Wow,
not gonna
there's a
lie.
lot of water. I can't remember there's water on there, not that much. But okay, we have had a lot of rain. Normally I take pictures on the bridge over there. We're going to go over there.
Oh, there's a bridge over there too?
Yeah, I know we can get to it from that way.
Alrighty guys, you know how I feel about bridges, so let's just get this over with.
But it's really cute with the little
What?
with the water and everything. It looks cute.
It is cute. I mean, you could take some cute pictures here. Oh, it's not that unstable. Oh, it is a little unstable.
It's not
Oh.
cool.
Come to me, darling.
I don't know how.
Yes.
Look how fast the water is. The stream. You really don't want to lose any belongings here.
Nope.
I did smoke bomb pictures here actually.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm gonna put a picture in our video clip. Okay, we're gonna go this way because that's a hill. I use this forest for pictures so much. Ew! That's what we call a vandpyt.
Vandpyt?
Vandpyt! Was that a dog or was it...
I did not hear anything.
No, maybe it was my jacket
Maybe.
making a weird noise.
Make all the sounds.
If you guys like this, let us know in the comments below. Or if you live close to a forest, or is it more mountains and beaches?
Or desert, even.
Or, oh yeah, desert, yeah. No, a lot of you guys are from California.
Oh, you
What
do
you
have
do-
a lot of Californian followers?
Yeah. And Texas. You
My
guys
main-
enjoyed my Texanian accent I did in the Scorpio reading, I think it was.
Oh my god. You're trying on being like a... What is that called?
Like
Like a...
purpose, but suddenly it was just there.
Have you ever been to Texas?
No.
Oh, so you just got a southern drawl out of nowhere.
I don't know.
Beautiful.
Oh, look. Oh, is he coming this way? Maybe we should. Let's move.
Oh, yep, he's coming this way. Let's just get up here.
Okay, let's see some action.
Whoop.
Boobies.
All the action.
So that's what people do here. I think he even had a GoPro on.
You did.
That is so funny. Maybe we are also going to be in someone else's
Maybe.
stumbled upon these witchy
Find that YouTuber.
find that YouTuber. But it's very peaceful.
Sometimes in the airport that's actually kind of a game. Is this a reporter or is this a YouTuber?
Oh,
This kind of thing, yeah. Because sometimes people walk around. There was this guy the other day. Not the other day, but a few weeks back. He was walking around with basically my old setup, you know, my big camera on a tripod.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
And he just had one of those røde microphones.
Oh yeah.
And I was like, that guy's a YouTuber. He has the same set as me. I guarantee you he's a YouTuber. Nope. He was a reporter.
He was?
Yep.
What did he report? Do you know that? Did you find out?
I think it was no, but it's always something about the airport, you know.
Oh yeah. It's a cute Danish airport.
It's very tiny, but it's adorable.
Yeah, I love it. I mean, I don't like Copenhagen airport. Look at the trees. Oh, you know what this reminds me of?
What?
Last time we went to West Bay. You remember
Yeah.
by the church, the little path that we went through?
Oh yeah.
That was so cute.
Oh yes.
I miss that. We're going back.
Yes, we are.
I actually thought about that we should spend at least 2 or 3 days at West Bay and then other small cities.
Oh, look.
Wow. Oh my god.
Look at the amount of mushrooms, you guys.
That looks like alien something. Conspiracy video. Is this alien?
Is this alien? Is it an alien toilet? We will never know.
Oh my god. This is stunning. It looks like they put sand here.
Yeah, they did. I think they probably fill up the pathways
Oh.
once in a while for the bike people. Like, I'm just guessing, I basically don't know.
We're the bike people, we're just walking.
We're just walking people.
Big stones.
Big sounds, yes. Very good. Also, that's a weird mushroom.
Yeah. Oh, it kind of looks like something I can't say.
It kind of does.
Name a mushroom. Oh, this is very exciting.
You never been here?
No, not this You're walking into another
Dimension. It's been traumatic as well.
Knowing we are in Narnia.
Yes. We have crossed over to Canada.
You are not prepared for that.
No. Let me just go to Canada in my cocktail dress. Like, it will be fine.
Yeah, you got it. We are Vikings.
Vikings in cocktail dresses. I don't know what I'm thinking, guys.
There's even a... Oh, okay. What does that mean?
That means it's going uphill. Left is hard road, right is easy road.
So I guess we're going to take that one. That's all.
So you want...
What?
I think we're gonna do the
That one,
this
right?
way, right?
Yeah.
Because this way seems like too much work.
We want to go that way. So we are trying to, you know. Woo!
Did you bring your inhaler?
I was just thinking about that I didn't.
You didn't?
No. But
Oh my god, Sandra.
I just need to, you know.
Just let me know if you need to stop, okay?
Yes, Mom.
I just don't want to have you out here with an asthma attack, could you imagine?
Me dying and sitting in a cocktail dress.
No. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it looks like something from a movie.
It kind of does. Oh, that's... Wow. Are we up that high?
Apparently.
I guess we are.
Snail! Little snail!
Look at the trees out there. We're up so high. I didn't even know.
If this is not peaceful, I don't know what is. Did you see the snail?
Yes. Snail is right there. That's a weird tree or pole or whatever.
It looks like a dead tree. It's actually pretty warm.
Yeah, right here it is.
This is fascinating. Is that bear? It looks like bear.
Bær eller a bear?
Bear, hvad hedder det? Berries?
Berries.
I don't know what kind of berries it is, but...
Stickles bear? I don't know. It's a birdie.
That's a weird mushroom too.
Yes. Birdie, birdie, nom nom.
Very close. No.
Bird. Either that or you're hearing ghosts.
Yeah. Spit it. Oh, spit it. Oh, there's another weird tree. I wonder if it's like a machine. What do you call that?
Oh yeah, for the road maybe.
Yeah. Oh, you can go that way.
That looks a little steep. What do you want to do? Go that way? That goes into the forest.
Yeah.
This way, I mean, this way does not so much go into the forest.
Well, we are on an adventure, so we are going to. Maybe this video is going to be like Sandra and Lost in the Forest.
Yes.
I'm sure you don't want to fall that down.
Oh
that way.
no.
What is that?
Some sort of berry thing. Maybe wild raspberries. Could be.
Is that what the Texan people put in their mouth? Like, you know?
Let us know. Is that an actual thing or is that like...
Like this?
You're such a weirdo. Oh, look how pretty it is down here.
It is.
Look
Yeah,
at
try
that.
not to fall. Oh, this is tiny.
Please don't fall, darling.
No. Oh my god, this is so weird.
I say that, but I'm struggling up here.
Oh my my god, remember if we come back the first time where you fell?
Oh yeah.
Yes, man. But it was snowy, right?
Yeah, it was snowy. I don't know why we figured that was a good idea when there was snow, but you know.
Well, I think it was because that we went far to see the place. And it was
Oh,
close, so
yeah.
we are gonna...
Fuck it, we're gonna do something. We cannot go all this way and then do nothing.
There's a tree. Did we pass the tree?
From up there, maybe? I'm not sure.
No, I'm always confused. I really have a bad, what you call it, sense.
I don't know. We had like a bad sense of where we are in the world. Like no idea.
Yeah, should have had directions we could have shown on the path.
And this is why a lot of the times we bring people with us so we don't get lost. And then there's the rest of the times where we just hope for the best. So this is one of those times.
There's something here. I don't know what that is. Birdies!
Hello, birdies.
Where are we going, birdies? Woo! Also, think about it. If there is a mountain biker coming this way, we have nowhere we can jump. I'm just saying.
I mean, we could go right there. But if we go further down, you're totally right. There's no way to go. They will just have to stop.
Okay, let's go. Oh, I love this.
Sandra is actually being really brave. She had a... Whoa, I nearly fell.
Oh.
Oh, that was too close. You're stuck, honey.
Oh. What, you were about to say something?
What was I about to say?
That I was brave?
Oh yeah, because the other day she had something with her back and then she manifested it away, so now it's better, but it was bad,
I don't know what
apparently.
I did, but it was like I couldn't move, I couldn't do anything. Would you stop touching?
Oh my god, I'm stuck too.
Oh my god.
You know what this reminds me of, kinda?
Right.
You know, in Snow White, where she runs through the forest and gets cut on everything?
Oh my god! Kiri is Snow White.
And you're stuck again.
Suddenly all the birds are coming out.
That would be amazing, could you just imagine that?
Where's the bird? It's very slippery right here.
Please, leave me alone.
I don't even know how big this forest is.
You don't? I thought you knew this forest.
Not this way, I have never been this way. And I feel like we're kind of going, you know, another direction
Ah,
of where we are supposed to go.
leave me alone.
I know where we are. Is that not where the big shop now?
Honey, I think I need help.
Coming to rescue you.
I'm like very stuck now.
What has happened?
Help!
God damn. Would you just stop touching her?
Jesus.
Jesus Christ. Don't touch my boo-boo.
Oh, that is a jump. Imagine coming here on a bike. You just... Oh my god.
Whoa. What the hell?
We're getting attacked. I think that's a squirrel.
Oh, come on, this squirrel. Wanna see you? I love this fish. Oh my god, I could just live here. Not at night.
Does it sound like water to you? Yep, another one.
Are you trying to
Are you trying to hit us or something? Like, what is going on here?
But doesn't this look like where we came from? Down there?
Kind of.
Oh, maybe we find the end of the...
Did we just go in a big circle? I mean, that would make sense considering... Not for long.
Well, we're gonna try. Oh, that's down now.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
Dear baby Jesus.
Oh, I love it. I really understand why people
Yeah, I get it, but at the same time, you can't really enjoy the scenery.
No.
Like we can right now, we can look around and see everything in detail, you know. But if you're on a bike, you just like boom, and then you're gone, you know.
Some of them are really fast, like stupidly fast. Oh, look at the tree! Damn.
Maybe it was like lightning or something.
Oh, that could be actually. We are really lucky with the weather.
It does kind of look dead though, doesn't it?
Oh, that could actually be cool. What is this? Oh.
Stone.
No.
No.
No. If we meet Bigfoot, I'm out of here.
Bigfoot? Is Bigfoot not an Alaska thing or like an American thing or something like that?
Well, you know, it's the scenery, it's the Halloween thing. You know how many people disappear in forests?
Oh yeah, remind me of that now. That's a good idea.
Well, we are not going to disappear because we have you guys.
No, I know there's a lot of people disappearing in forests. It's
But I don't know if it's, you know. Oh, it's close up. I don't know if it's happening a lot in Denmark or if it's just in America.
I mean, disappearings happen even in Denmark quite a bit actually, considering how many people we are.
Well, it is Spooktober, so we are going to talk about it.
Spoopy time!
We should have brought snacks.
Oh, snacks.
Well, we bought a lot of snacks and we didn't bring them.
No.
We don't have a survival kit. We have a little blanket.
But I mean, as long as we stick to the road, it should be fine.
Oh, this fell too. Wow, look at that. Oh my god. I feel like we're going to find treasure.
Find what?
A treasure or something.
A treasure? My inner gamer wants to find a treasure now.
Yeah, exactly, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. But I feel like we are going further and further away from that way.
True. But it would be a very short trail as well if it was just like this amount of time. How long have we been filming? Like half an hour?
Yeah. 28 minutes.
That was actually very precise.
Yeah. You have a good feeling. Oh, it's stuck in the chest. Oh, another dead tree.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, that looks like it could tip over like any second.
Oh, we have a pocket tree. Oh,
What?
Pocket tree.
A what tree?
Oh, you know, tree hugging, you get energy from the tree.
Oh.
I'm hugging a tree.
Oh. You adorable.
That sounded so sad.
Oh.
My tree is my best friend.
Well, I don't know what you just degraded me to, but that's okay.
No. Well, yeah.
I couldn't help it, I'm sorry. That was a bad joke. Woof 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 woof.
Woof, woof.
If. Ooh, imagine if we found a hollow tree.
That would be awesome.
That would be amazing.
Ooh. And you guys enjoying this?
I wonder if you can hear the birds.
Oh, they should could. It's actually a lot. I just realized it.
Yeah, it's quite a lot. Oh, look at this jump.
Oh yeah. Pew! I kind of want to try to, you know.
How many people do you think have fallen here?
Oh, I bet a lot.
Like a lot. Like a lot.
Pew, pew, pew.
I think I'm just gonna casually go around this.
I mean, if you... Is that a squirrel? No. No.
What? Where?
No, it's not a thing. You think about if people do this in the wintertime?
Oh, there is water.
Oh yeah! This is the river or
The beck.
the beck.
It's like a canal or like a... What is this called? Like a small... Like river, but tiny.
Oh my god, look at that tree, by the way. That looks like something from Sleepy Hollow.
Yeah.
Where is Johnny Depp?
Ooh, or a little bit like the tree in Harry Potter.
Oh yes.
What's it called? The
I can't remember.
Someone remind me in the comment section.
Yeah. Oh my god. This is. Look at those views. Nice.
Oh.
I'm just
Spooky
fascinated about
roof.
everything. Oh my god, look at the tree from here.
Imagining this tree at night.
Oh, that's
Kinda
creepy. Yeah.
Just a fat ass dead tree.
As much as I love the scenery, I don't want to be here at night.
You don't? I kind of do, actually.
Yeah, it would actually be fun.
Yeah.
If we get over 1,000 likes, we are going to do a night forest exploration.
Combined or on each video?
On each video.
Oh.
Right? Or if one of us hit
If one of
1,000,
us. I think
yeah.
that's more realistic.
Well, come on guys, if you want to see it, hit the like button. Oh, there's a car.
Oh yeah, that's kind of breaking the scenery a little bit. That's okay.
God, let's not,
Oh, imagine if we found like an old rusty one. I'm dead, I got so scared that was a bird.
It's the first time that I... Did you guys hear that? Yeah.
She actually screamed on camera, you guys. That's the first time that's ever happened, I think. She screamed.
There's a lot of bikers that's going to think someone got killed.
Someone just got killed. Yes.
Oh my god, it was because it was right
It was
there.
like right there, yeah, right here.
Oh my god.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am. Oh my god.
I got scared too. I got so scared. You could see it on the camera.
Yeah.
It went all over the place.
I was like trying to see my face. I need to do something about this. Oh my god. Oh, it's not ready. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, this is
Something was sticking something here. Maybe it's a wolf. I don't know if we have wolves and
you could really get hurt in this hole as a biker. I'm
Oh,
just seeing
God.
disaster for bikers everywhere.
Yeah. Shit, man. I'm never going to be one of those bikers.
No, me neither. Probably, to be fair.
I have a feeling that we might, you know, get back on track here.
You think?
Not sure, but we might. I mean, you know, guys, we are just going.
Oh, look at this, cute.
It is. Wonder where our bikers.
Long gone by now, I guarantee you that much.
Could you imagine all the sounds at night? Because we can't really see.
Oh yeah.
In daytime, we can see stuff. I just realized that.
Yannick has a badass, like, tiny flashlight, but it's super powerful. We should totally bring that.
Oh yeah, I think we should do that too.
Because that tiny little thing is like pocket size.
Oh yeah.
But it can legit light up our entire living room. Like, we don't need other light.
Oh my god. It's that poof.
Yeah.
Someone at the end of the forest thinks that
Probably. People have lived around you for a long time, Sandra.
what?
They probably think that for years.
What?
Like with the alien noises. So, like, I was just saying that since people have lived around you for...
Oh!
They probably have speculation of like their alien that lives down here near Crusoe somewhere. Oh yeah.
I wonder.
It's a werewolf. Don't know why it would be digging, but...
No, it is a bit strange. Whoa, this is super muddy. This is a tiny bit muddy. Well, it would make sense, you know, that aliens would be at places like this.
Or ghosts for that matter.
deserts, or mountains.
Or anywhere.
Anywhere where
It's
they-
not highly populated. Maybe they are at high populated places. Maybe they're at the skies.
Yeah, because some people believe that.
Yeah, they
Did you
do.
hear about the trumpet noises that's occurring around the world? I think it happened in Sweden. I'm going to show you when we get back. But there's like trumpet sound from the sky.
That's strange.
Yeah. Some people think it's either the government working on some kind of invisible thing, or it's aliens.
Definitely aliens.
Yeah. I am a believer in aliens.
Or maybe they're just testing a new alarm system for like,
Like the world.
yeah, for like war. You know how the big things.
It's so scary to think about. All the things that we don't know about. I have no clue where we're going.
Me neither. Are you sure this is actually going around, so we're coming out in the same place?
No. This turns into Blair Witch Project. So we have to make a decision, either try to follow the trail or go back.
What do you think?
I'm a Libra, so
You don't know. We're going a little more.
what do you think? I like that I can use my item.
You can, but not always. Sometimes I do force you to make decisions.
Yeah.
It's
I
healthy
thought
for
I
you.
just got off.
Completely?
Yeah. I didn't even push the button.
The camera's haunted. That's that.
My camera is suddenly turned off. And for that to happen, I have to you know, that is.
Press the thing.
Maybe we should stop talking about aliens.
Oh, there's another thingy.
Oh, but yeah. Still orbs.
Oh my goodness. Help!
Go that way around. And it looks like the tree has been peeing. Oh my god.
This is so dramatic.
I think we have to go that way if we want it, you know, right?
But the blue one was what we were following, wasn't it? I think black one means it's a hard road.
Should we try?
Like, I don't know. We can also go back if you rather want to do that. Because we do have things to do and stuff to film.
Yeah. Should we go back?
Yeah,
Should we save some filming?
we probably should.
So we're
Ciao.
gonna get back to you guys when something interesting happens.
Yes.
Bye!
Bye! I call upon my people. We are gonna attempt a money ritual. We're not gonna attempt, we're gonna do it. We need to find a strong tree for this to work the best. Strong but fairly young.
I do feel that that is a strong
Yeah.
young tree.
Yeah, this one?
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Whoa. It is getting more chill. The sun
Oh, it is.
saying bye-bye.
Ooh.
What? What is it?
Okay, was
Did
that
you
a
feel
dribble?
rain?
Yes.
Well, we better hurry.
This one, right?
Yeah. That is beautiful. Okay.
So... Okay.
Let me just put you guys here because so we are going to take this, right?
Yep.
We're going to cut it. Did we have to say something? What was the spell again?
Oh yeah, let me just find it. Because we do have a spell. Hold on. It's gonna be shaky for a second. Excuse me.
No stress. Oh,
We have a little spell book. Oh yeah, it's actually super simple. As this tree grows, so strong, so fine, so may I prosper from the universal divine.
Oh, Kiri just said it, so we know that the universe is what? Is it with a bow or is it just a knot?
Not. Double.
A double knot. Let me just try to do this without actually